RSG is here to help by giving you time-saving tips to prepare data. At the end of the year, your TPA is asking you to compile data for your retirement plan. This can be a stressful and daunting task. No worries, RSG is here to help by giving you the tricks of the trade. Most data packages consist of 3 key areas: ownership and structure, employee data, and financial data. We will be going over these key areas, and I will be providing some time-saving tips. What is ownership? To me, ownership is 2 main concepts: highly compensated, HCEs, or key employees. Why are these concepts important? Because it affects all the testing you are asking your TPA to perform on your qualified plan. My time-saving tip to you would be, if you are unfamiliar with these concepts, to contact your plan consultant or to even give RSG a call, and we will be happy to help. Structure. What is structure? We are referring to business structure. Your business could be a corporation, it could be a sole proprietor, it could be an LLC. By us knowing the correct structure, we are able to ask the right questions. Meaning, should you be providing us with W-2s? Should you be providing us with K-1s? When you're thinking of structure, you should also be thinking if maybe you've purchased another entity. This should also be reported to your TPA. Why is this important? Because by knowing the business structure, and if you purchase other entities, we can prepare the correct compliant testing. My time-saving tip would be, if you need help figuring out your business structure, I would contact your CPA, or maybe you have an in-house accountant. The next key area I'd like to go over is employee data. What is employee data? Your TPA is asking for you to tell them, do you have any new hires? Do you have any people who have terminated? To list those dates of termination. If you have any rehires, list those dates of rehire. To provide pre-tax and Roth deferrals, hours, indicate if you have leased or 1099-R employees. I would also pay special attention to compensation. Why is this important? I would go back to the old adage, garbage in creates garbage out. This is critical information to keep your plan in compliance. It affects all of our testing. Correct data saves you time and frustration. My time-saving tip would be to provide your TPA with W-2s, maybe even give them access to your payroll vendor, and to even look at last year's information. The final key area I would like to go over is financial data. What is financial data? To be a qualified plan, there must be a qualified trust. The trust is compiled of contributions, withdrawals, fees, and earnings. Why is the financial data important to us? It helps us prepare the 5,500 that is required. It can give you insight into your loans, withdrawals, fees, and contributions that were made throughout the year. My time-saving tip would be to give your TPA access to your record keeper, or at least to provide your TPA with annual asset statements. When you are ready, RSG is happy to help.